Hallie, it's time for school. You shouldn't have been up playing with your friends the whole night. Get dressed, and I'm going to go make your food. Okay, your food's ready. I'm waiting.
Alright, I'm off to brush my teeth.
Okay, do it quickly.
I told him, I go another week or two, give it, you better go back again and say, listen.
Oh my god, the bus is already here. Oh my god, the bus is here. The bus is here. Oh my god. Oh my god, the bus is here.
Get your hood.
Right,
Go quickly.
during Florida.
You don't want to miss the bus.
Okay, my shoes.
Yeah, that's...
Bye.
Have fun. Love you.
Have a good day. Hope you guys enjoyed my skit. Comment down below what other videos you want to see in Hallie. So, bye.